अहं करोमि भगिनि। अल्पाक्षररमणीयं यः कथयति निश्चितं स खलु वाग्मयी। अर्थात् स्वल्पम् अक्षरं मधुरम् अक्षरं वदति सः एव निश्चयं वागीशः. That is, he who can convey his message charmingly in a few words is indeed an orator. मानवः स्वल्पम् अक्षरं मधुरम् अक्षरं प्रयोगं कृत्वा वदति सः मानवः एव वागीशः.
सम्यक् तथैव। अनन्तरं चाटुश्लोकः।
अहं करोमि।
करोतु।
चाटुश्लोकः समस्या च अहं करोमि।
अस्तु करोतु।
चाटुश्लोकः श्लोकं पश्यामः। मर्कटस्य सुरापानं मध्ये वृश्चिकदंशनं तन्मध्ये भूतसञ्चार यद्वा तद्वा भविष्यति. Monkeys are naturally restless. Monkey tricks, that is kapicheshtaha, are well known. What will happen if a monkey is provoked? Similarly, a person who is already crooked and on top of it has vices also will behave erratically. First of all, it is a monkey. It is made to drink liquor. A scorpion has bitten it. On top of it, if it is possessed by a goblin, anything may happen. वानराः स्वाभाविकतया चञ्चलाः भवन्ति. ते उन्मत्तं वर्तन्ते कपिचेष्टाः वानरयुक्तयः अथवा सुप्रसिद्धाः सन्ति. यदि वानरः प्राचोदितः चेत् किं भविष्यति? तथैवं पूर्वमेव कुटिलः अथवा वक्रः दुष्टः अपि अस्ति. सः अनिष्टरूपेण वर्तयिष्यति. मर्कटः इत्युक्ते वानरः. सुरापानम् इत्युक्ते मद्यपानं. वृश्चिक स्कॉर्पियन, वस्कराटिका दंशनं बिटन दंशति. तन्मध्ये on top of it भूतसञ्चारः भूतेन व्याप्तः possessed by ghost. यद्वा तद्वा something unimaginable भविष्यति may happen. So एतत् अस्माकं मनसा सह सम्बन्धम् अस्ति. अस्माकं मनः अस्थिरम् अस्ति. यदि परिवेशः आगच्छति तस्य सर्वेषु आडम्बरेषु व्ययं करोति. तस्य उपरि यदि तस्य कृते बाधाः न सन्ति, कोऽपि नियन्त्रणं न कर्तुं शक्नोति, सर्वं सुलभतया प्राप्नोति चेत् तादृशस्य व्यक्तिस्य किं परिणामः भविष्यति? सर्वथा अप्रत्याशित. Isn't it? A monkey. So the monkey is drunk. So in between stung by scorpion. Amidst all this, it is possessed by a ghost. So it may anything happen. The same way, if the mind, if it is not controlled, if it can get anything it wants, it goes as per its whims and fancies, then it will pull us down from the development of our soul.
Correct.
It's like spiritually.
Very correct. Beautiful. Very nice. बहु सम्यक् भगिनि.
धन्यवादः भगिनी. अनन्तरं समस्या. किं नरः कुरुते गानं कं pushnati jangalam. Kamitarthaprada devagavi kim shukavat vanam. Some riddles have the answer hidden in them. If the words of interrogative sentences are either split or jointly read, we get the answers. Following is a verse comprising of the 4 questions. So when we try to find out the answers hidden right there, like Kim Naraha Kurute Ganam, who is the person who sings? Kam Pushnati Jangalam, whom does meet nourish? Kamitarthaprada Devagavi, the divine cow. Which divine cow yields unlimited desired objects? Kim Shukavat Vanam, which forest has parrots? So if we take the meaning as it is, we will not get the answer. So we will look into word by word. Kim Naraha. So Kim Naraha should be combined and read as Kinnaraha. Kinnaraha ityukte demigods. Kinnaraha kurute ganam. The Kinnara sings. Kam pushnati jangalam. Jangalam ityukte mamsaha. Kam should be combined as kankam. Kankam means vulture. Vulture eats mamsam. So kam pushnati jangalam. Kamitarthaprada devagavi. So avagraha chinnam we should remove and should combine it as Kamitarthaprada, that is the one which gives. So Devagavi is the divine cow. So the divine cow which gives all the fulfills all the wishes or desires. That is then the next one is Kim Shukavata Vanam. Kim Shukavat should be combined as one word which is Kim Shukavat. Kim Shukavat ityukte Kim Sukha trees, vrikshaha. Kim Sukha vrikshaha. Keshuchit prahelikasu uttaram nigudam bhavati. So if we split this interrogative words or join the words, we get the answers hidden in it. Stuti Samartha.
बहु सम्यक् भगिनी, बहु सम्यक्.
धन्यवादः भगिनी.
अनन्तरं सुभाषितं, प्रथमसुभाषितं का कर्तुं शक्यते?
Shall I?
अस्तु भगिनी, विजया भगिनी करोतु.
लभेत सिकतासु तैलमपि यत्नतः पीडयन् पिबेच मृगतृष्णिकासु सलिलं पिपासार्दितः कदाचिदपि पर्यटश सशविषाणमासादयेत् तु प्रतिनिविष्ट मूर्खजनसिद्धम् आराधयेत्. पदविभागः लभेत सिकतासु तैलम् अपि यत्नतः पीडयन् पिबेत च मृगतृष्णिकासु सलिलं पिपासार्दितः कदाचित् अपि पर्यटन् ससविषाणम् आसादयेत् न तु प्रतिनिविष्ट मूर्खजनचित्तम् आराधयेत्. अन्वयः तु यत्नतः पीडयन् कश्चित् सिकतासु तैलमपि लभेत. लभेत is the परस्मैपदी आत्मनेपदी विधिलिङ्गकारः रूपं प्रथमपुरुषः. पिपासार्दितः मृगतृष्णिकासु सलिलं च पिबेत्. Again the पिबेत् is परस्मैपदी विधिलिङ्गकारः प्रथमपुरुषः एकवचन रूपं. पर्यटन् कदाचित् ससविषाणम् अपि आसादयेत् न सिद्धम् आराधयेत्. So what they are what they are telling in this Subhashitam is even all these things are possible. Whichever is impossible things are also possible. But the person who is very murkha, we can't satisfy him or we can't control him. Since he is not such a person to grasp the thing and knowledgeable, that is to
Correct.
what they are going to tell or what he is going to observe it is not able to do get the exact vishaya. So even in the sand we can able to get the oil. Crushing sand with effort one might find oil in it. Perhaps a thirsty person will drink water from a mirage. Even in the Kanalni they used to say, even you can drink out of it. Sometimes while wandering one might find the horn of a hare. Even the hare can have that horn in his head or something like.
Correct.
But these impossible things may become obstinate fool, because he's a foolish person. So
Correct.
we can't do anything out of it.
Very good.
Yatnataha pidayan kaschit prayatnena sammardhayan sikatasu tailamapi balukasu tailamapi labeta prapnuyat pipasarditaha pipasaya piditaha mrigatrishhnikasu marichikasu सलिलं च पिबेत् जलं पातुं शक्नुयात्. पर्यटन संचार कदाचित् कस्मिंश्चित् समये शशविषाणम् अपि शशस्य शृङ्गम् अपि आसादयेत् प्राप्तुं शक्नुयात्. न तु किन्तु न हि प्रतिनिविष्ट मूर्खजनसिद्धं दुराग्रहेण आक्रान्तम् मनः आसादयेत् पोषयेत्.
बहु सम्यक्, बहु सम्यक्.
तात्पर्यं सिकतासु मध्ये कदापि तैलं न भवति, किन्तु तत्रापि प्रयत्नं कुर्मः चेत् तैलं प्राप्तुं शक्नुमः. समानं मृगतृष्णिकायाम् अपि एकः पिपासः प्रयत्नेन जलं पातुं शक्यते. एव कदाचित् दूरात् कुत्रचित् अटित्वा शृढेन एकः शशः अपि द्रष्टुं शक्यते. एते सर्वे असम्भवम् एव, किन्तु प्रयत्नेन सम्भवं कर्तुं शक्यते. सन्तोषं जनयितुं कदाचित् न शक्यते इति सुभाषितकारः वदति.
सम्यक् भगिनि. Understood? अवगतम्? अस्तु.
आं भगिनि.
अस्तु.
Next one, shall I continue?
वदतु भगिनि, वदतु.
व्याघ्रीव तिष्ठति जरा परितर्जयन्ति रोगाश्च शस्त्रव इव प्रहरन्ति देहम्. आयुः परित्रवति भिन्नघटादिवाम्बः
लोकस्थाप्य हितमाचरति
इति चित्रम्. पदविभागः व्याघ्री इव तिष्ठति जरा परितर्जयन्ति रोगाः च शत्रवः इव प्रहरन्ति देहम्. आयुः परिस्रवति भिन्नघटात् इव अम्बः लोकः तथा अपि अहितम् आचरति इति चित्रम्.
परिस्रवति इति वदतु. परिस्रवति जरा. परिस्रवति जरा व्याघ्रीव परितर्जयन्ति तिष्ठति. That is, even the tiger, that is aged tiger, also can be that is the aged tiger is in front of you fearing him, but Shatra like a enemy person, the person who is with the disease, who is suffering with the diseases, also because of all these things, even the broken from the broken pot
the water is letting out from the broken part. Like that, the life is going off.
Correct.
Even then, the people are not get rid of from the issues what which is not good for them.
Hmm.
What is this? What is the Ashwarya Vishaha in this? Like that, he is asking.
Correct.
That is Zara Vyagriva Parityajanti. Vruddhavastha Vyagriva Mrityuhu Samipam Agataha. Iti Bhayayanti. That is Vibeti. We are afraid of
They are afraid of old age, no? As we get
old
old.
age and the death.
So when old age comes, there is a kind of fear which gets into our mind, no? So that is what they are saying, that it is like as if a tigress is right in front of us and it is making us fearful. So like that we become when old age comes. Okay, so old age is like that. That is what they are saying here. So like a tigress, mm, uh, it makes us fearful of something, right? Similarly, we get scared of it, right? Similarly, when old age comes, there is a fear in our mind, right? It is like that. That is what they are saying. And also the
The confidence
diseases
level
also.
will be very low. Whatever
Absolutely, we are all fearful of
able to do
everything.
it or not, something like always will be in the mind,
Ah.
wavering mind,
So
something
if
like
in front of a person a tigress comes, how will that person feel? So that kind of a feeling is there when old age comes. That is what they are saying. And
whatever facing
similarly,
the problems or whatever may be,
and
it is
similarly, the
difficult for them to
diseases. Correct.
conquer.
And then you have the diseases also in you. So the diseases, how is the diseases? It is like an enemy to us. Like the enemy always keeps doing some harm to us. Similarly, the diseases in our body is continuously harming our body. Isn't it? That is what they are saying.
रोगः शत्रवः इव देहं प्रहरन्ति व्याधः वैरिणः इव शरीरं परिपीडयन्ति आयु च जीवितकालः भिन्नघटा तम्बः इव परिस्रवति घटात् जलम् इव that is from the broken part इव प्रतिक्षणं नश्यति. The water is coming out of it from the broken part. Like that our age is declining.
Correct.
From
becoming shorter and shorter day by day. No, it is reducing. Because
तदापि जनः अहितम् अन्येषु अपकारं स्वस्य अनिष्टं करोति. Even they are doing the same without any that is understanding all these things. Loka vishayah, the nicha karya for swartam. They are doing the anishtam nashta karya. They are.
So even though we know that when old age comes, it is difficult. When disease comes, it is difficult for us. And moreover, our age is like our life is just dripping off from the broken pot, no? Like from the broken pot, drop by drop, our life is leaking out. We know all these things, but what do we think? We don't think about all those. We think, no, everything is always there with us. We are always going to be young. We are always going to be healthy. Nothing is going to happen to us. This is the kind of thing. We think everything is permanent for us. Nothing is going to be it's not going to go. That is how the people think. And thinking that what they do all kinds of undesirable things. They do harm to others. They do all kinds of things which they should not be doing. They keep on doing this, right, until this time comes. So that is what the Subhashitakara is he's saying this is so surprising that even though we all know that these things are going to come, a person is going to die, our old age is going to be a big struggle for us, all these things we know, and time is just going off. It is just each and every moment is just passing, isn't it? We don't have time is just going. Knowing all these things, still we keep on doing the bad things, the harmful things. We keep harming others, telling ill about others. We are not what do you say? We are not into us, right? We are always thinking, oh, he is like this, he is doing this, he is doing that, she is doing this is happening to me just because. All these negative thoughts keep on coming into us. So that is what he's saying. This is so strange. We think we are permanent here when we know that we are not. Everybody knows that everybody has to die one day or the other, but still we never behave in that manner. We think, no, we are going to be alive, the others are only going to die. That is what is very strange, is what the Subhashitakara thinks. Such a beautiful Subhashitam this one is. Absolutely. Bhagini ekavaram tatparyam patatu.
तात्पर्यं व्याघ्री यथा भाययति तथैव वृद्धावस्था मनुष्येभ्यः भीतिं जनयति। अस्माकं शत्रुः सर्वदा अस्मान् प्रति अवरोधम् एव जनयति। तादृशम् एव अस्माकं शरीरे स्थितान् रोगाः शरीराय बाधां जनयन्ति। भग्नात् घटात् यथा जलं मन्दं मन्दं निस्रवति तथैव आयुः अपि प्रतिक्षणं क्षीयमाणं वर्तते। एतत् सर्वं जाननपि मनुष्यः आयुः शरीरः अवस्था च चिराः इति विचिन्त्य अन्येभ्यः अहितं कुर्वन्ति। मनुष्यस्य एतत् चिन्तनमेव विचित्रम् अस्ति इति सुभाषितकारः विस्मयते।
अस्तु अवगतं सर्वेषां कृते? अस्तु। अनन्तरं काव्यकथा गोदे भगिनी पठति वा?
आं भगिनि। काव्यकथा वा? अहम् अन्वयक्रमः
अन्वयक्रमं करोति वा? अस्तु। मीरा भगिनी पठति वा?
भगिनि
पठतु।
पुस्तकं दृष्ट्वा वदामि।
अस्तु अस्तु।
दशरथ काव्यकथा रामायणं। दशरथः अपुत्रः, शापः अनुग्रहः एव जातः तस्य। So Dasaratha was childless. Although this curse turned into a boon for him. Ravanah Rakshasa Rajah sa Devan Pidayati Sma. Ravana was a king of demons and he was troubling the gods. Devaha Vishnu Samipam Gatavantah. The gods approached Vishnu. Vishnuhu Katitavan Ravanavadhartam Dasharathasya Putro Bhavishyami iti. So Vishnu said, to kill Ravana, I shall be born as the son of Dasharatha. Ataha Dasharathasya Ramaha Lakshmanaha Bharataha Shatrugnaha iti Chatvaraha Putraha Abhavan. So then Dasaratha got 4 sons named Rama, Lakshmana, Bharata and Shatrugna. Sarve Sakalaha Vidyaha Aditavantaha. They all learned all the they gained all the knowledge that is required. Rama Lakshmana Yaga Rakshanartham Vishwamitrena Saha Ashramam Gatavantau. So Rama and Lakshmana went along with Rishi Vishwamitra to his hermitage to God his sacrifice. Yaga Rakshanan Anantaram रामः अहल्याम् उद्धृतवान्. So having guarded the sacrifice, Rama revived Ahalya. ततः तौ विश्वामित्रेण सह मिथिलां प्राप्तवन्तौ. Then both of them went to Mithila along with Rishi Vishwamitra. रामः जनकराजस्य सभायां शिवधनुषः भङ्गं कृतवान्. So Rama, after when going to the court of King Janaka, he broke the Shiva Dhanush kept in the court. ततः रामस्य लक्ष्मणस्य भरतस्य शत्रुघ्नस्य च विवाहः जातः. So the marriage, then after this marriage of Rama, Lakshmana, Bharata and Shatrughna took place. Sarve Ayodhyam Pratyagavantah. So they all returned to Ayodhya. Marge Ramah Parashuramasya Garvabhangam Kritavan. So on the way to Ayodhya, Rama subdued the pride of Parashurama. Tataha Ramasya Yavvarajabhishekartam Dasharatah Sannaham Kritavan. So Dasharatha then later made preparations for the coronation of Rama as the crown prince. Kintu Kaikeyi Vachanat Ramah Lakshmanena Sitaya cha Saha Aranyam Gatavan. But by Kaikeyi's intervention, Rama along with Lakshmana and Sita went to the forest. Dasharathasya avasanam abhavat. So the last days of Dasharatha came and then he died. Matulagruhat agatah Bharatah Shri Rama Samipam Gatva Paduke Anitavan. Returning from his maternal uncle's place, Bharata went to Rama and brought his sandals. Tataha Dandakaranye Shurpanakha Prasangat Kruddaha Ravana Sitam Apakritavan. Then in the Dandakaranya, that is Dandaka forest, Sita was abducted by Ramana because Surpanaga she made a plot because of the incident of Lakshmana cutting her nose. She got so angry. She wanted to take revenge. Tataha Kishkindha Samipe Rama Sugrivayoho Sakyam Abhavat. So en route, when they went for searching Sita, Rama and Lakshmana, and Sugriva became friends. Ramaha Valinam Samkritavan. Rama killed Vali. Anjaneyaha Lankayam Sitam Drishtva Vrittantam Niveditavan. Then Anjaneya went along with other Vanaras in search of Sita, and in Lanka he found Sita and he informed Rama about it. So the Sukti which we read today in this lesson also connected with this Hanuman, like telling without talking too much, like conveying the message short and sweet. So after seeing Sita, Anjaneya goes to Rama and says, in Tamil, the poet Kamba says, Kanden Sita, that is short and sweet. I saw Sita. So it's conveyed in a very nice manner because Rama was was looking forward to hear any news about Sita, and Anjaneya did not want to keep him wait for this. Ramaha Samudrasya Setum Badwa Lankam Gatavan. Rama built a bridge across the ocean and went to Lanka. रावणस्य वधं च कृतवान् and he killed Ravana. ततः विमानेन श्रीरामः लक्ष्मणेन सीतया च सह अयोध्याम् आगतवान्. So in the Pushpaka Vimana, the Rama, Lakshmana and Sita came to Ayodhya. Ramasya Pattabhishekah abhavat. Rama's Pattabhishekam happened. किन्तु सीतायाः विषये जनापवादं श्रुत्वा रामः सीतापरित्यागं कृतवान्. So because of a rumor about Sita, Rama abandoned Sita. वाल्मीके आश्रमे सीता कुशलवौ प्रसूतवती. Sita gave birth to twins Lavakusha in Valmiki's hermitage. Kushalavau Valmike Sakashat Ramayanam Patitavantau. So they Lava and Kusha they learnt Ramayana from Valmiki. Sri Ramah Ashwamedhayagam Kritavan. So Rama he performed the Ashwamedhayaga. तदा कुशलवौ रामायणं गीतवन्तौ. That time Lava and Kusha they sang the Ramayana. ततः राम वाल्मीकि मुनेः आश्रमम् आगतवान्. Then Rama came to Valmiki's hermitage. Valmiki Muniः सीतां परिगृहीतुं कथितवान्. Valmiki asked him to accept Sita's. श्रीरामः पुनः सर्वेषां पुरतः अहं शुद्धा इति सीता कथयतु इति उक्तवान्. So Rama said, let her declare before everyone that she is pure. Idam Shutva Sita Kinna is Dukkita. So hearing this, Sita became very sad. Tachane Bhumau Bilam Jatam. So that very moment the earth opened up. Sita Tatra Leena. Sita disappeared into the earth. Ramadaya Sarayu Nadyam Dehatyagam Kritavantah. So after Sita disappeared into the earth, Rama and others left their bodies in the river Sarayu. Anantaram Kushaha Nripaha Abhavat. So then Kusha became the king.
Very nice. The whole Ramayanam is said in each one line. Every kandam is said so beautifully. Very nice, Meera Bhagini.
धन्यवादः भगिनी.
उत्तरं ददातु. किमर्थं दशरथस्य चिन्ता आसीत्? Anybody can say.
तस्य पुत्रः नास्ति अतः.
सम्यक् एव. सो सः पुत्ररहितः अभवत् तदा एव. दशरथः किमर्थं देवलोकं गतवान्?
दशरथः यज्ञरक्षणार्थं देवलोकं गतवान्. यागरक्षणार्थं.
किं भवति तत्र? अस्तु. अनन्तरं मृगयायां दशरथः किं कृतवान्?
मृगयां वने हिंस्राः प्राणिनः आसन्. अनेकान् प्राणिनः हतवान्.
एकनिमिषं मीरा भगिनी. अत्र द्वितीयप्रश्नस्य उत्तरं यागरक्षणार्थं नास्ति. तत्र देवेन्द्रः साहाय्यं प्रार्थितवान् किल, तथैव तदा एव सः तत्र गतवान्. अतः देवेन्द्रस्य साहाय्यार्थं दशरथः देवलोकं गतवान् इति वक्तव्यम् अस्तु वा
भगिनि तद् पूर्वपाठस्य कथा एव भगिनि किल?
ओ अस्तु अस्तु अस्तु
आम् पूर्वपाठस्य
ओ अस्तु अस्तु अहम् अस्तु पूर्वपाठस्य प्रश्नः एव अहं पृष्टवती किल अस्तु अस्तु
Actually, Bhagini, I thought you were doing a small review through questions.
Sorry, then I should have kept it in that same way. सम्यक् सम्यक् अष्टमपाठस्य एव वयं कुर्मः अहं सप्तमपाठस्य अस्तु रामलक्ष्मणौ किमर्थं विश्वामित्रेण सह आश्रमं गतवन्तौ
यागरक्षणार्थं रामलक्ष्मणौ
रामलक्ष्मणौ यागरक्षणार्थं विश्वामित्रेण सह आश्रमं गतवन्तौ
सम्यक् रामः जनकराजस्य सभायां किं कृतवान्
रामः जनकराजस्य सभायां शिवधनुषः भङ्गं कृतवान्
करेक्ट् रामसुग्रीवयोः सख्यं कुत्र अभवत्
रामसुग्रीवयोः सख्यं किष्किन्धा समीपे अभवत्
किष्किन्धा समीपे कस्य आश्रमे सीता लवकुशौ प्रसूतवती
वाल्मीके आश्रमे सीता लवकुशौ प्रसूतवती
श्रीरामः कं यागं कृतवान्
श्रीरामः अश्वमेधयागं कृतवान्
सम्यक् बहु सम्यक् अनन्तरम् अन्वयः
अहं वदामि भगिनि
वदतु
रामोऽपि परमोदारः सुमुखः सुमहायशाः न चैच्छत् पितुरादेशाद् राज्यं रामो महाबलः रामः अपि परमोदारः सुमुखः सुमहायशाः न च ऐच्छत् पितुः आदेशात् राज्यं रामः महाबलः पदविभागः
सम्यक्
तत्र क्रियापदम् ऐच्छत्
सम्यक् बहु सम्यक्
अनन्तरं प्रथमा विभक्ति रामः परमोदारः सुमुखः महाबलः सुमहायशाः
बहु सम्यक्
अनन्तरं द्वितीया विभक्ति राज्यं राज्यम् एकमेव पञ्चमी विभक्ति आदेशात्
सम्यक्
षष्ठी विभक्ति पितुः
सम्यक्
अव्ययं न च अपि
टङ्कनदोषं भवति पितुः इति अस्ति
परमोदारः सः एतत् अन्वयक्रमः रामस्य विषयं वदति रामः कीदृशः रामः सः परमोदारः इत्युक्ते उदारगुणवान् सुमुखः सुन्दरवदनं प्राप्तवान् सुमहायशः यशाः बहु प्रसिद्धः आसीत् महाबलः बहु पराक्रमशाली अपि आसीत् सः पितृ आदेशात् पिता दशरथस्य आदेशं पालयितुं सः वनं गन्तुम् इष्टवान् परन्तु राज्यं न इष्टवान् राज्यं न ऐच्छत् सः राज्य परिपालनं कर्तुं न ऐच्छत् अतः अन्वयक्रमः अन्वयः रामः परमोदारः सुमुखः सुमहायशाः महाबलः सः पितुः आदेशात् राज्यं न ऐच्छत् सम्यक् वा भगिनि
अत्र पश्यतु ऐच्छत् इति क्रियापदं भवति किल कः ऐच्छत् रामः ऐच्छत् कीदृशः रामः विशेषणपदं भवति परमोदारः सुमुखः सुमहायशः महाबलः सर्वे अपि अतः प्रथमे विशेषणपदानि वयं तत्र परमोदारः सुमुखः सुमहायशः महाबलः रामः अस्तु अपि पितुः आदेशात् राज्यं न ऐच्छत् तादृशम् अस्तु
तात्पर्यं पठामि भगिनि
पठतु
अयोध्या राज्यस्य ज्येष्ठपुत्रः रामः एव राज्यं परिपालनीयम् इति भरतः ज्ञातवान् अतः सः राज्यं न स्वीकृतवान् रामः कैकेय्याः प्रियकारणात् पितुः आज्ञया प्रतिज्ञाम् अनुसरन् अरण्यं गतवान् भरतः वनं गत्वा रामम् अयोध्यानगरं प्रत्यागत्य राज्यभारं गृहीतुं प्रार्थितवान् किन्तु उदारपुरुषः प्रसन्नवदनः कीर्तिमान् शक्तिमान् रामः भरतस्य प्रार्थनां न अङ्गीकृतवान् यतोहि पितृवाक्यपालनम् एव तस्य परमो धर्मः इत्येव तस्य चिन्तनम् अभवत्
सम्यक्
धन्यवादः
द्वितीय अन्वयः अपि करोति वा
आमां भगिनि अहं करोमि पादुके चास्य राज्याय न्यासं दत्वा पुनः निवर्तयामास ततो भरताग्रजः च अस्य क्रियापदं प्रथम क्रियापदं निवर्तयामास
सम्यक्
अप्रधान क्रियापदं दत्वा तत्र प्रथम विभक्ति भरताग्रजः द्वितीया विभक्ति न्यासं भरतम् अनन्तरं चतुर्थी विभक्ति राज्याय पंचमी विभक्ति ततः षष्ठी विभक्ति अस्य अव्ययं च पुनः ततः भरताग्रजः इत्युक्ते भरतस्य अग्रजः अतः इत्युक्ते रामः अस्य राज्याय सः एव राज्य परिपालनं करणीयम् अतः पादुके रामः वने वसति भरतः तत्र गत्वा पुनः अयोध्याम् आगत्य राज्यपरिपालनं कर्तुं प्रार्थितवान् परन्तु पुनः सः प्रार्थितुमपि रामः न अङ्गीकृतवान् अतः सः तस्य न्यासम् इत्युक्ते प्रतिनिधिं तस्य पादुका दत्तवान् पादुकेन सह रामः भरतम् उक्तवान् राज्यं परिपालनं कर्तुं गच्छतु इति सः प्रार्थनां कृतवान् अन्वयः ततः भरताग्रजः अस्य राज्याय पादुके न्यासं दत्वा भरतं पुनः निवर्तयामास रामः पुनः उक्त्वा गच्छतु राज्यपरिपालनं करोतु इति उक्तवान्
अस्तु एकवारं तात्पर्यं पठतु भगिनि
रामः भरतः च द्वे अपि राज्यपरिपालनं कर्तुं न ऐच्छताम् तदा रामः स्वपादुके भरताय स्वस्य प्रतिनिधिरूपेण दत्तवान् रामस्य पादुके प्राप्य भरतः सन्तुष्टवान्, किन्तु तदापि रामं विना अयोध्यानगरं गन्तुं सः किञ्चिदपि न इष्टवान्। अतः रामः भरतम् अयोध्यानगरं प्रत्यागन्तुं बहुवारं प्रार्थयित्वा प्रेषितवान्।
Samyak.
धन्यवादः।
So everybody understood, right? So Atra kim bhavati? That's what. So he is not going. Even though Paduka, he is not interested. Bharata is not interested. Rama is not interested in taking up the Rajya Bharam. So what they did, they said, okay, you take my Paduka. So Rama gave his Paduke, so his sandals, and he said, you take this. Bharata was happy, but he did not want to leave Rama. So Rama had to keep on pushing him, pestering him that please leave, you're not supposed to stay here. So he had to keep on telling. That is why it is given that punaha punaha nivartayamasa. So he had to keep on pleading, please go, isn't it? Because he was not ready to leave his brother in the jungle alone. Okay, so we go to the next one. Sangrahya Vishayaha. Somebody just, even if you read it also, it is okay.
Okay. Tam karomi bhagini.
Karotu. अस्माकं सङ्ग्राह्य विषयः श्लोकः मीरा भगिनी एव करोति.
Specialist in that.
Exactly.
But this lesson, there is nothing much,
Nothing
telling
much,
there in Sangrahya Vishayaha.
Okay.
Sangrahya Vishayaha, famous names. Navagrahaha, the 9 planets. Saptahe kevalam sapta dinani santi. So all this is based on these planets. So Suryaha, Chandraha, Mangalaha, Budaha, Guruhu, Shukraha, Shanihi, Rahuhu, Ketuhu. So सप्ताहे केवलं 7 दिनानि एव सन्ति। किमर्थं? राहु केतु छाया गृहौ स्तः। नवनिधयः. So in this 9 planets, like these days we need gadgets to see the 9 planets. We need a telescope, we need satellites to give us the proof of all this. But our Rishi Munis were so powerful that they were able to tell in great detail about all these things. So as though we say we are technologically developing, actually our power is coming down as the generations go by. Thus we are dependent on gadgets for all these things. Navanidayaha, Mahapadmaha, the big lotus. Padmaha is lotus. Shankaha is conch. Makaraha is generally they say crocodile. Kachabaha, tortoise. Mukundaha, I'm not very sure. Kundaha is jasmine. Neelaha is sapphire. Karvaha is vessels made of earth that is baked in fire. Kuberasya Nava Nidhim Nirdishati. So crocodile is like, generally it is referred to that Makara is collector of weapons. Kachapa is for the person of the nature who hides wealth. This much information only I have about this. Anantaram Navaratnani. Navaratnani means not the exact 9 gems. Here it refers to the poets, Kavishu. Atra Kavihi Nirdishati. 9 extraordinary people in the court of King Vikramaditya. These 9 people people are referred as 9 gens. एते नवकवयः विक्रमादित्यस्य दरबारां गतवन्तः. So the first is Dhanvantarihi. So we know he's into the medical field. Ksharp, I don't have much info. Amarasimha, Shankuhu, Vetala Bhattaha, Ghatakarparaha. Kalidasaha we know is Mahakavi Kalidasah. Varahamihiraha. Varahamihira is the great astronomer of those days. Then Vararuchihi. Anantaram Slokam Pashyamaha. While taking holy bath, the sloka is recited. Tvam Raja Sarvatirthanam Tvameva Jagatah Pita Yachitam Dehi Me Tirtam Sarva Papa Panutyaye. You are the king of holy waters. You are the father of
Yachitam dehi me tirtha. Tirtha.
Acha, Tirtha. I have a reading problem, Bhagini, so that's why I was reading very slowly earlier. Sarvati, Yachitam dehi me tirtha sarva papa nuttaye.
Sir. Samya.
So you are the king of holy waters. You are the father of the world. Grant me the desired object, O holy water, for the removal of all my sins. Etat slokam pavitra snanam kartum samaye vadamaha. Tvam Raja Sarva Tirthanam. Sarva Tirthanam Tvam Rajaha Asti. Tvameva Jagata Pita. Tvam eva Jagata Pita. You are the father of the world. Yachitam dehi me. Give me, grant me the my desire. Tirtha Sarva Papa Nuttaye. So for removal of all my sins, Mama Sarva Papanam Nishkasanam Karotu. Iti etat slokam. Slokat Artham.
Bahu Samyak Bhagini.
Dhanyavadah Bhagini.
As usual. Very nice. Astu. Vijaya Bhagini. Samapanam karotu Bhagini.
सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः श्री हरिः ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः श्री हरिः ओम सर्वेभ्यः धन्यवादः
धन्यवादः
धन्यवादः